Ah, way to go. Miss Bobon from the outside, rushing up Scarab. Lady Tycoon down on the inside is touch of class Sophia's Fortune. At Honcho racing 6, running 7, Stout Hearted. 8 position, number 8, Dugus Pet. C-Star Mike Sound Lady second last. And Rivaldo is the early trailer. Miss Bobon Scarab. Lady Tycoon from the outside, touch of class down on the inside, head honcho. Rounding the far turn, Miss Bobon, Lady Tycoon Scarab. Touch of class from the outside, Sophia's Fortune. Dugus Pet, rushing up from the outside, head honcho Mike Some Lady Stout-Hearted, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Dugus Pet, now the leader. Touch of glass down on the inside, Sophia's Fortune is Scarab, Miss Bobon, head honcho Stout-Hearted, and on the outside, Lady Tycoon Mike Sam, Lady Sister Rivaldo, and nearing the finish line, Dugus Pet, Scarab, and finally, Dugus Pet, Scarab, Lady Tycoon Mike Sam, Lady Touch of Class.